Hey, what's up everybody? So, I'm just gonna update everyone on what I've been selling lately. So, I've actually been selling a lot of Christmas stuff already. I got a lot of Hallmark ornaments, and I got them from a garage sale or an auction, I can't really remember. And I've just been saving them up, and I decided to list them. I probably listed like 100 or 150, probably closer to 100, and I bet I've sold 25% of them. A lot of high dollar ones that you wouldn't think that I would have sold. I sold 2 Harry Potter ones for probably 60 combined, and then just like weird stuff, a couple of Wizard of Oz for $10 a piece, just like random stuff. And then so here's what I did when listing them. I just took them all out. I had them in totes. I just took them all out, and I took pictures of them before I even did any research about it. I just thought it'd be so much faster to do it that way, and I'm really glad I did it that way, because I ended up listing some of them. A lot of them I listed for like $4 plus shipping, and they end up selling. After I did the research, they weren't really worth that much. But the thing is, I've sold so many for like $3 or $4, and I wouldn't have got like anything if I would have allotted them together. I think they would have taken so much time, they would have taken a lot of space, and then I would have had to find boxes to ship them, because right now all I'm using is bubble mailers to ship my stuff, to ship like single ornaments, and then if it's worth a little bit more, I'll put it in a box. But yeah, I think it's gone pretty well. So I probably sold about 10 of them for $3 or $4, and then the rest of them were around 8 all the way up to 40. I think that was the highest one I sold. It's for 40, and I've been pretty happy with it. So if you have any questions about it, check out my next video, because I'm going to talk about what else I've been selling and how I got those items as well.